welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really rich and decadent chocolate frosting. This frosting is really delicious. It is very sweet and it's thick and it's rich and creamy, but it's still really healthy because all the sweetness is coming from dates mostly, and a bit of course from whatever chocolate you use. And it's really simple to make. It's just 4 simple ingredients. Like I said, the dates, vegan dark chocolate, coconut milk and cacao powder. Now this frosting is perfect when you need something that's really decadent and indulgent for that special occasion cake or dessert. And this is perfect. You can use it for piping, you can just use it for spreading on cakes, or even for filling your favourite tarts, cupcakes or pies. Okay, so the first step is just chop some vegan dark chocolate. Try to get 70% cacao because it's usually a bit low in sugar. And we need about 3/4 of a cup of that, just into a saucepan. Next thing, we need 1/2 cup of coconut milk. You can use light coconut milk if you want, it's up to you. So, we just put 1/2 cup of that into the saucepan. So all you do is just heat this gently until it melts together. As you see, that's all melted together and looks like a chocolate sauce. So just let it cool down just a little bit. Here I've got 1 cup of dates, which has been soaking in boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes. We just need to drain the dates. So we just put the dates into the blender. And along with that, I'm going to put 1/4 cup of raw cacao powder. So this mixed with the chocolate is going to make it really chocolatey. And this is so nice. If you love chocolate and you have a sweet tooth, which of course I do, the combination of the cacao, the dates and the chocolate produces a really sweet and chocolatey flavour. Okay, so 1/4 cup of cacao just in there. Right, now just tip all the chocolate and coconut we have already melted into the blender. All you have to do now is just blend it until it's smooth. Okay, so you see, it is now nice and smooth. So what you have to do now, just put it either in the fridge or the freezer and just wait till it cools down. And once it's cool, it's ready to use. So once the frosting is cold, you can do as I've done with these cupcakes. You can pipe a frosting onto the cupcakes, or if you don't want to pipe, you can always just spread the frosting on your cakes, as I'm doing here. And this frosting, as I said, it's really good if you have a special occasion to celebrate, and it also goes really well with chocolate cake and any other flavours that you like, but my preference is the chocolate. But it's very versatile. You can even use it to fill biscuits or tarts, or even as a topping for desserts. And it is best to use, like, once it goes cold, it will still be like spreadable or pipeable. You can leave it in the fridge for longer, like for another day or so, but it does tend to go hard when it's in the fridge for a long time. So if you want to keep it in the fridge and you still want to use it, you may need to add a little bit of hot water and stir it first before it's usable again. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this. It'll certainly satisfy your sweet tooth and chocolate cravings in a really healthy way. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.